A lighter that is out of gas is not a big problem. But today, instead of throwing it away, I want to share an interesting way to rebuild it. It keeps your hands busy and gives that lighter a new purpose. You can try this at home in just about 5 minutes. Start by taking the lighter apart. Hold it firmly in one hand and use a small screwdriver in the other. Gently pry off the metal head where the flame comes out. Go slow and keep your fingers clear of the flint wheel. Tell me what part of the country you're watching from. I read every comment. Once the head is off, you will see the old gas tube inside. Pull that tube out carefully and set it aside. There is no need to keep it, because this lighter will no longer use gas. At this point, the body of the lighter should be open and empty. This is the base we will rebuild in the next steps. With the gas tube removed, the next step is to prepare the plastic body. Take a hand drill and carefully widen the opening at the top of the lighter. Go slow and keep the drill straight so the hole stays clean and round. Pay close attention to the flint wheel area. Do not drill too close to it, because that part must stay working. Once the hole is wide enough, check that there is no plastic blocking the inside. The lighter body should now be open and ready to accept the new fuel system. Now take an old antenna and clamp it firmly in a vise. Use a cutting tool and slice off a piece that matches the length of the lighter body. This antenna is hollow from end to end, which makes it perfect for carrying liquid fuel. After cutting, check that the edges are clean and not sharp. Test the fit by sliding it into the hole you drilled in the lighter. It should go in smoothly and sit snug without forcing it. When it fits well, this antenna piece becomes the new fuel tube for the lighter. Take some medical cotton and twist it lightly with your fingers. Slide the cotton into the antenna tube you just cut. Do not pack it too tight. It needs space to absorb and carry the alcohol. Leave a small bit of cotton sticking out on both ends. This helps draw the fuel up and feed the flame steadily. Once this is done, the antenna is ready to go into the lighter. Next, take 90% alcohol and a small syringe. Slowly inject the alcohol into the body of the lighter. Do not overfill it. Leave a little space so the cotton can soak it properly. If any alcohol spills, wipe it off right away. When the alcohol is inside, the lighter is ready for the final assembly. Place the antenna with the cotton into the lighter body. Make sure the top cotton touches the flint wheel area. That contact is what allows the spark to light the alcohol. Once it is in position, put the lighter head back on and press it tight. Check that nothing moves or feels loose. At this point, the lighter is ready to be tested. The lighter is working again, steady and easy to use. It no longer depends on gas. And it did not need to be thrown away. This small rebuild turns a useless item into something practical again. If this project helped you today, tap the like button so others can find it too. Subscribe for more practical DIY ideas you can use at home. And leave a comment telling me what old tool or item you want to bring back to life next.